Fortune, Episode 4, The Authority of Timing. In previous episodes, we dismantled illusions that quietly govern most lives. The first was the belief that effort by itself determines outcome. Next was the belief that visibility by itself creates reward. Each belief survived because they contain partial truth. And partial truth is more dangerous than falsehood. Effort prepares, visibility invites, but neither decides when fortune arrives. That decision belongs to a force most people acknowledge only after it has already passed them by. That force is timing. This episode is not about patience. It is not about waiting. And it is not about luck. It is about authority over timing and why fortune responds only when action aligns with the moment that can receive it. I am Fortune Reigns, and this is Fortune.